Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Fries here at FriisForge, and today we're going to make some cross bookends. So I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I've got a bunch of my camera stuff in the mail, and I'm here at the forge today doing some work for a show tomorrow anyhow. So, bonus video. I'm going to be making some bookends, some cross bookends, because apparently crosses are popular and these seem like they'll be quick and easy to make. So let's do that. I want the bookends to be fairly tall, not too tall, but certainly as tall as a large book. So I went with a total length of about 9.5 inches. Just using my hot cut Hardy to make what will be the bottom of it. Come back with the same heat and just flatten it out. That's good. This is setting what will be the pivot point for the bottom. I've marked this out, you can't really see. I'm doing this on each piece, and I'm creating what will be a spot for a bend to be. I'm hoping that this is going to create a bendable point and also not a cold shut. Here is the vertical line. This is really quite good practice for when I do eventually make a fuller in a knife blade or in a sword perhaps. So this is excellent practice for that. And I learned some things about it. Found that it took a couple of different passes. When the metal right here is digging in, it's leaving a small sharp spot. That's unfortunate. I try to smooth it out as best I can, and I got it on 3 of all 4 sides. You can see there just a little bit of a dig on the bottom. I'll have to dress those dies. This is where the long heat of a propane forge comes in very handy. If I was using the coal forge, I would not have been able to do that. Much more sectional. And what's a cross without a line across? I'm impressed at how well this fullering tool really does work. This is just one idea. Some things that I could use it for. I'll revisit it a little later with everything else that's possible. This touch mark is also a tool of beauty. That's made by Buckeye Engraving. I did a review video on that. You can check it out. There'll be a card popping up now. I think the piece needed a little bit of aesthetic appeal, so I'm coming in with the toe of the hammer, using it as I would a cross peen, and spreading that material out at the very base there to create the fishtail, and then come back with the flat of the hammer as I am now to smooth everything all out. Now here is utilizing that bend point that I put in. Makes for a very easy bend. A nice 90-degree corner. Not 90 degrees yet. My cross bookends are all complete. The one thing I did notice is the fuller left some small lines with a sharp edge on the side. So I'm going to go back and file that down so I don't have that problem again in future. But the sides facing out I managed to be able to smooth over, so that is good. I never expected I would make anything with a cross on it, but there you go. I more really just wanted to see if it would work, and I think it did. I didn't have any suitable books to use currently at the forge, so here is Lot's wife held in by the bookends. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please do leave a like, comment, let me know if there's anything that I could have done better in the creation of my bookends. And as always, may the Force serve you well.